Oh, I'm excited now.
Book of the Dead. Imagine having church in your house.
True, true. You can get in this train and drive it yourself.
This is my waiting for Myron to hurry up dance. Morning everyone.
Morning.
So 2 vlogs ago we climbed Penrhyn in Wales. We then went to an island in Wales and we then left Wales. And it's been about a week and we're now back in Wales.
Yeah.
Because we love it here so much. We're now in the north part of Wales. And today we were supposed to climb another mountain. We were supposed to climb out Snowdon. Well, Myron was going to climb. I was going to attempt to climb. I don't think I would have made it.
Yeah.
But we woke up to rain and the weather reports were saying it was going to pour with rain and be horrible all day. Don't know if you can tell, but it's not really raining. There's a slight drizzle in the air, so I've got my rain jacket on. Any excuse to get out my pink rain jacket. But we would have been absolutely fine to climb up the mountain, so it's a bit annoying. But we have found something else to do instead. We are heading to a castle, which I cannot remember the name of.
No.
It's in the National Trust, and we have National Trust memberships, so it's free for us, which is good. Always like a free day out, so we can take you along. So we just got our tickets. If you're not a member, I think it was £14 for an adult. Just reading the map and seeing what's here, because we decided to come here so last minute. We don't really know what's here.
Haven't put any research into it yet, so the map's a good idea to get.
I can see the castle.
Oh, it's pretty big.
It's really big. I don't know why I thought it would be small. Wow, it's huge. Oh, I'm excited now.
Yeah. I was starting to put it in your mouth when you were breathing in. Castle walls are huge. If you're trying to take over this castle, you'd have such a difficult time trying to get in there. You'd have a huge ladder or something while they shot arrows down from the top.
It's quite funny, we often go to castles, like in our trips throughout Europe. We go to castles, but we often don't go inside. Depends like where we are and how much they are, but you know, some of the castles are very, very expensive, like £14 for this one. It's £28 for the 2 of us. I don't know if we didn't have memberships if we'd actually go inside. It's just a really expensive day. And often I find castles are like most beautiful on the outside, and like the grounds are beautiful and stuff, so we don't mind just walking around the outside. We will go on this one because we've got the membership. But yeah, through Europe, we've probably been on the outside of more castles than we've been on the inside of. Here comes Myron.
Just admiring the outside of the castle. So much stone used on it and it's so big.
Myron talks about the engineering of everything we go to.
Would have had to have its like own quarry to get up this amount of nice square rectangle pieces to piece it all together. It's so big. Would have taken so long to build.
Yeah. Close to like a lot of the walls and all the furniture, not touching of course, but in a lot of castles you kind of have this like thin line and you have to walk down directly down there and don't like go away, but yeah, you can get right up to the stuff, which is quite cool to see it in detail. There's me, Scorpio, in November. It doesn't look like I'm pointing. There's me, Scorpio, in November. And there's Myron, Gemini in June. It's almost his birthday.
Yeah. They look like the dogs from The Lion King at the top.
Hyenas?
The hyenas, yes. so many faces around in the architecture. Like these cute ones.
Get to go upstairs now.
Awesome.
Do you know what style of castle this is?
No.
Norman.
Norman Castle, like me.
That's Mari's last name. So we just spoke to someone who works here, and all the wood in the castle is from trees on the estate itself, which is pretty cool. And most of the stone is a local stone from Anglesey, limestone and sandstone, except for the grand staircase. And that is stone from somewhere else in the UK. And apparently it took 20 years to build, and the grand staircase took the last 10, which is pretty crazy. It's a church.
It is.
Imagine having a church in your house.
Crazy. Well, it's even got quite a few pews and everything.
Yeah, I guess with visitors.
Yeah.
So there were over 30 bedrooms in this castle and over 150 rooms. If you include the rooms in the stables where the servants would have lived, there are over 200 rooms. But today we only get to go in about 10 or 12 of them because the rest of it is closed off to the public. And apparently a lot of the National Trust employees actually live here in those areas, which is pretty cool.
Looks like it's raining outside. Quite heavily as well, so that makes me a bit happy about not having climbed the mountain. And these are all the bells from room service. So many bells.
So we've come into the cafe for some lunch, and what have you got?
Honey pork,
Soup?
casserole, soup.
And I got carrot and coriander. I wear my chucks until they like fall apart, and I think they're officially starting to fall apart. It has just started pouring with the rain, and now my socks are soaking wet because my chucks have holes in the bottom of them.
On the bright side, there's a fire engine here. It's a cool fire engine.
Oh, this is the end of it. Hello.
Check out the brakes. You stand here and that pushes this against the wheel to slow you down. So we finished the castle and now we're going to see the railway museum, which is on site, which...
Some of it's inside.
Some of it's inside, which is good because it's raining. Oh, that's a big train. For manual railway carts, you have one of these, which you grab the handle there and turn it in a rotation, and that'll get you going. There's a sign here that says that it was extremely hazardous to the users, so that might not have been the best way of going. And then there was this kind of cart here, which you could seat lots of people, and you could put your feet into these, and then you would pedal forward and back. Forward and back, yeah, I think. Slightly like a elliptical trainer. An oval, and that would power the back wheels. Or there's this one here which is like a bicycle but for train tracks. Choo choo, you can get in this train and drive it yourself. That's pretty cool. Control the pressure. This big turning knob thing, you can turn that. Choo choo. Look at all these mini trains. You must have had to have thousands of them to be able to carry much coal up out of the mines.
I think these are models, Myron.
Ah. So we're just leaving the castle. It's a bit rainy. The castle still looks awesome behind me.
There's gardens here, but because it's raining, we're not going to go around.
No, we saw the train museum, the castle.
Great.
Yeah, it was really cool. The inside of the castle was definitely one of the best that we've been to.
Yeah, it was like small, like you kind of like don't get sick of it.
But it was
You know,
nice and grand and...
No, but I mean, you don't go in like a million rooms.
Yeah, but all the rooms are grand and like
Yeah.
well taken care of.
Cool, so we are going to head back to the van now.
Yeah, get nice and warm, dry.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
Please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all those things. We'd really appreciate it.
Yeah.
We live full time in our camper van and we travel around the UK and Europe and we put out a few videos every single week. Okay, it's really starting to get rain. Let's
Yeah.
get going. Bye!
Bye.
This is my waiting for Myron to hurry up dance. Cause I dance and then he gets really embarrassed and he hurries up. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.